안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so today you have to eat for a lunch, right? And then you have here the fish, which is the bangos. Then the singing ano nila? Humba. And also for kanang gisugban ninyo no?
Sinubang baboy.
Okay, sinubang baboy or grilled pork. And also here the fruits. Watermelon, mango, and also orange. And that is from Ihojini.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. Manimogo everyone. Tugit pa nga ano mo lang. So, di ba alam mo man ay mong favorite lang, no? Ang mangga. So, sometimes, kanang mukaon ka o kanang kuan. Kanon niya, ang imo isudan is manggara. This is my harmony's favorite, the mango. So, ikaw, Mary Grace, unsay favorite fruits nimo? Watermelon. So, this is Mary Grace's favorite. The watermelon. What about you, John Lawrence?
Orange.
Huh? Orange? Niya din yung paborito tulo. So, Mary Grace, watermelon. My harmony is mango. And John Lawrence for orange. Paiter kaya ko lola. Mukha na nagmangga sudan. So, manimogo everyone. Bye-bye. 감사합니다. 이호진님. 안녕하세요. What is your name? Jillian May. How old are you? 10 years old. And you are grade?
4.
You are grade 4. Okay, so let's have 10 random questions for your multiplication test. 8 times 8.
64.
9 times 6.
54.
7 times 8.
56.
6 times 8.
48.
5 times 7.
35.
4 times 6.
24.
3 times 9.
27.
Let's proceed. 2 times 9.
18.
4 times 5.
20.
5 times 7.
35.
8 times 6.
48.
Okay, very good, Jillian. So, starting tomorrow, you will be there in the study room in the special class. Okay? So, ang time is 6 to 7. Okay? So, study hard, ha? And you will be there to practice reading as well as writing. Okay? Fighting! Okay, bye-bye! Annyeonghaseyo, this is Teacher Pam together with Teacher Lasal and have Alea, Mary Kit, and Janap. We have a food trip here in Buyong Beach Resort. So, kauna mo. This is our food.
Yan.